You all are welcome. My name is one and only RK Syllabus Learning Channel. Well, before starting anything, one more time, I would like to read a warm and good morning to everyone. And one more time, you all are connected with RK Syllabus Education Hub. And again, it's your dear tutor, AD Mr. Dwivedi, with one more new interesting poem of class 10. That is from a first prize book of English. So let's get started. And the name of our today's chapter, and we can say poem, is all about dust of snow. And basically, I would like to tell you that this dust of snow has been written by a very famous poet named by Robert Frost. And I would like to tell you that in each and every class, means from 9 to 12, you will meet with this guy, means with the poems and we can say poetry of the Robert Frost, and you will enjoy the poems written by the Robert Frost because that all the things are based on the reality only. So now let's get started today's chapter. So basically, what happens in this chapter, that one day, means firstly read the we can say first stanza of the story and the poem. The way a crow swooped down on me and the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Well, basically in this stanza, what happens, and let me define that one day, the day of the Robert Frost was filled with the sadness, and we can in simple words that the Robert Frost was very sad. Means our poet was very sad, and he was going from behind the hemlock tree, and on that hemlock tree, on the branch of that hemlock tree, a crow was sitting, and when the Robert Frost was crossing down from that hemlock tree, so that crow swooped down the dust of snow on the shoulder of the Robert Frost, and we can say that that crow threw a part of a dust of snow on the shoulder of our poet. And do you know, just having seen that thing, means the dust of snow on his shoulder, sudden change happens on the mood of the poet and he becomes happy. Yes friends, now having listened this and having seen this stanza, you would be thinking that where is written the sadness, or where is there any word which can indicate the word sadness. So I would like to tell you that means a crow and a hemlock tree are the words which can indicate directly to the negativity and we can say that negativity as well as sadness. A hemlock tree is a kind of a poisonous tree, and in the crow, often all of us think that the crow is a kind of a signal of a badness, which whenever all of us see to that crow, so we often say this thing that a crow is a kind of a signal of negativity or a badness or a sadness. So that's why it indicates that the poet was sad. Then in a second stanza, the poet only gives and says that this means this dust of snow has given my heart a change of a mood. Sudden change happens in the mood of the dust on the Robert Frost, and he starts feeling better, and he thinks that means all the kind of the superstition are not good, because if all the kind of the superstition are real, so the crow, when he threw the dust of snow on my shoulder, so the day my sadness would have increased more and I would not be able to go ahead. Then after means the poet, means the Robert Frost, defines that all of us should not keep any kind of a superstition in our mind, and any kind of often it happens that whenever we are going somewhere from a road or from a way, so at that time if a cat intersects from a road, from a way, at that time we think that now our day is gone, means I cannot go from this road or way. If I will go, so nothing good will happen with me. At that time we change the way, or at that time we don't choose that way for going ahead. So this thing and this kind of superstition should not be in the mind of any one of us, and this was only the motive behind writing such kind of the stories and the poem written by the Robert Frost, and this was all about the dust of snow of class 10. And if you want to know more interesting chapters, poems like that of class 10, so be the part of RK Syllabus Education Hub. So that's how it is. Stand it up. Good day.